You've had the hiccups for hours. It's not cute anymore. You're starting to Google, can hiccups mean I'm dying? 1. What are hiccups, really? Hiccups are your diaphragm throwing a tantrum. It contracts, your vocal cords slam shut, and boom, hic, usually harmless. Spicy food? Soda? Nerve misfire? No big deal. 2. But frequent or long-lasting? If you've had hiccups for more than 48 hours, or they come back a lot, that's weird. Could be GERD, nerve irritation, even a tumor pressing on your diaphragm nerve. And yes, in rare cases, constant hiccups were the first symptom of a stroke, kidney failure, or a brain issue. Told you, it gets weird. So if your hiccups won't quit, don't just drink water upside down. Call a doctor. Sometimes, your body's strangest signals are the ones worth listening to.